in the Benz, front you turn so cynical. Anyway, think about the side by any day. 5 past 5, rolling up that Mary J. I drop 30 like a Curry with no NBA. How about Eddie Murray with the stinking lead to swing a play? Turn the black out, pippin' out the crack out, smacking up on these bitches, feel I hold the fuck from crack out. Knocking through a back out, back through a back out. We running nigga to the fucking out, by tripping in the blackout. Man, it's a killer. Lord Sacramento, mama dead, both fiends in my ex pill dealer. So we keep it realer, just no drug I ain't touch. Bestie at your face and I bet she your place. So boy, aim with your face. All these cops with no makeup. This week before warm-ups, I ain't even laced up. Oh boy, get your rank up. Robbing the dealer, homicide, strikes one. When a friend of ghetto, I was
Ruby getting up in the gizzards, naked like a blizzard. Keeping an eye on these sticks, the grass swap me just like a lizard. That would taste vanilla, poppin' painkiller. With the 45, I feel like the great gorilla. Chicken heads talking, they think I'm a quesadilla. Picking up the pussy, I must be a lady killer. Yeah, pop a pop.
Hey, what is up, you guys? I just wanted to give you a little bit of an update with the Z, and excuse my voice. I've had strep for a little bit and I'm really not feeling the best, but I wanted to give you guys an update. So I managed to get the wheel wells done, and I had to craft this side out of metal because it was missing a lot more than the other side. But point being is that I was actually able to completely seal off the inside, and I don't have to worry about water anymore with this car. And genuinely, that's a really good plus. I don't have to worry about anything getting up and in, and genuinely I live stream majority of it, but I don't have to worry about water anymore. So I didn't get to show you guys too much of what was going on, but the entire point being is that I would be able to drive this car in the rain again. So moving forward, this car doesn't get driven too often, so I was kind of like hinting around at maybe getting an exemption or something to do with inspection where I don't drive this car more than 5,000 miles a year. And I really don't, but more or less I think I might just throw cats on it and just get it prim and properly done. But I don't know yet. I really like how this car sounds, but kind of torn between that decision. But I have no problem throwing cats on it. It's no big deal. I'll just take you guys a little bit through more. I managed to actually, I told you guys forever ago, but fix the amp with the subs, and now the subs all chilling, marinating again. Yep, there we are. Open that up quick. Show you guys the trunk situation. I really don't like the red too much, and I'm thinking of really changing it to black, but fix the sub up, fix the amp situation, have it tucked under behind the passenger seat in the cubby hole where it should be, and you know what, everything works out fine, so I'm okay with that. Anyways, moving forward, I didn't work on the wheel wells too consistently. Genuinely, we've had a lot of stuff go on here, and I've been taking my time with the Subaru and just getting things ready, and honestly just getting my plan done with the Miata. Everything's cool and kosher with that. Finally managed to get everything squared away with the Miata, which is absolutely what we needed. But I'm just fortunate enough to have everything taken care of, and now I gotta get the Z inspected so I'll be able to drive this sucker again, because I'm kind of itching to drive it. I really appreciate you guys checking in, and this has been a really nice little polite update about the Z. I'll be back when I'm not feeling so sick. Genuinely, I'm hyped to make a lot more long form content. Appreciate your guys' support, and it's crazy that we already gotten this many subscribers. I totally didn't expect it whatsoever, and I really appreciate your guys' support. It truly means a lot, and genuinely I feel like we'll be able to get somewhere with the work that we've done already, and the future is pretty bright with what we got in store. So I'm really excited for the near future, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.